Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G87 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option System. Then let's tap on Reset Options. And the networks are divided into two different sections, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use and tap on reset, and basically this is it. If it comes to mobile network settings, it will be a little bit longer because we need to go through all of those steps, and basically it needs the confirmation of our screen lock to basically confirm that we are aware that we cannot undo this action, etc. So just tap on reset settings here and we're done. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.